In this video, I'm going to teach you 3 easy ways to make Japanese soup stock dashi. Hey, what's up everyone? Yoshimi here. Today, I'm going to teach you 3 different ways to make Japanese soup stock dashi. And dashi is a staple in Japanese cooking. It's a base for many Japanese dishes, including miso soup. And we have miso soup almost every day, so we make dashi almost every day. There are many different ways and many different ingredients to make dashi. So some people say, do this and don't do that. But some other people say, do that and don't do this. So there isn't any right way to make dashi. So take the way I'm teaching today as my way and use it as a basic, and you can arrange as you like. First thing first, let me show you the ingredients I'm using today. I have 3 things today. Kombu seaweed, bonito flakes or fish flakes or katsuobushi, we call it in Japanese, and instant Japanese soup stock. Kombu seaweed looks like this. It's kind of long and flat dried seaweed called kombu seaweed. And there are a lot of different types of seaweed, dried seaweed available. Kombu seaweed, wakame seaweed, nori seaweed, hijiki seaweed, and some others. But to make dashi, make sure you have the right one called kombu seaweed. It's sometimes longer, it's sometimes shorter, but make sure it's kombu. The next is bonito flakes or fish flakes or katsuobushi, that looks like this one. Bonito is a name of fish. It's a type of tuna about this size. And to make this bonito flakes, you cut the tuna into 4 fillets, here, 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 and then you cook them in hot water, take them out and smoke them, and then you put them into a special humid room to get beneficial fungus cover all over the bonito fillet. And then you take them outside to dry under the sunshine and also to kill the fungus. Put it back into the humid room to get more fungus, outside again to kill the fungus, and repeat that several times. So it takes like 6 months or more to make dried bonito fillet. And after dried, it becomes the hardest food in the world, like a rock. And then you shave it into thin slices like this using this special equipment. Some people get the whole dried bonito fillet and they shave it by themselves. But this one, pre-shaved one, is a lot easier. And the last one is instant Japanese soup stock. I think this one is called hondashi in your country. And this is just like a chicken coop for you. When you make dashi, you need either these 2 or this instant one. And the reason why you need those 2 ingredients is umami. And if you don't know what umami exactly is, check the video here. The difference between this whole dried bonito fillet that you shave yourself and this one, pre-shaved one, and this instant soup stock is this whole one is like a whole coffee beans. And this one is like a pre-ground and packed coffee beans. And this is like instant coffee. That kind of flavor difference it creates. And this instant soup stock is totally okay to use, and I use this a lot in my kitchen. But if you want to have more flavorful dashi, this one is better. This smells a lot nicer. Now, let me show you the way number 1. And in this way, I'm using 2 ingredients, kombu seaweed and bonito flakes, these 2 ingredients. And I'm making 2 cups of dashi. So I have about 2 cups of water in here, and I put half of this kombu seaweed, this size, about this size, in here, and then lift it for about half an hour. So kombu seaweed is completely rehydrated and then spread it out. And then turn the heat on and simmer it until you start to see little bubbles at the bottom of the pot right before it starts to boil. Let's do that. Now, it has been simmered about 10 minutes or so, and I start to see little bubbles at the bottom of the pot. And when you start to see little bubbles at the bottom, turn the heat off and remove this kombu seaweed. This is edible, but today it's only for the flavor. Let's remove it. And now it's time to add this bonito flakes. And when you're adding this bonito flakes, you prepare a paper towel, kitchen paper, like this, or you can use cheesecloth instead. And for this amount of water, which is about 2 cups, this amount of bonito flakes, like a small handful of bonito flakes, put it on the paper towel or kitchen paper, wrap it up using this kitchen paper, and put this in here and infuse this about 5 minutes or so, just like a tea bag. Now, bonito flakes has been infusing here like 5 minutes, so it's time to take it out. Prepare a ladle like this and take the kitchen paper pocket out on the ladle and gently squeeze it. And your dashi is ready. So easy to make. And this bonito flakes is edible, but only for flavor for today. So this is the way number 1 to make dashi soup stock. So easy. Now, the way number 2. If the way number 1 I just showed you is too much work for you already, there is an easier way. So prepare kitchen paper, just like I did for the way number 1, and put kombu seaweed. And for this way, I'm cutting kombu seaweed into little pieces using kitchen scissors. This one. And then you put some bonito flakes. Again, little handful. Wrap it up using this kitchen paper. Like this. And put it in a microwavable bowl. And in here, I'm adding 2 cups of water because I'm making 2 cups of dashi. So let's add some water here. Cover it with a plastic film. Like this. And then put this in microwave. Now it has been microwaved for about 7 minutes, and how long to microwave depends on how powerful your microwave is. 7 minutes to 10 minutes, I think. Let's remove the plastic wrap. And again, using these chopsticks and ladle, take it out. Gently squeeze. And dashi is ready. Very easy. So this is the way number 2, using microwave. Finally, the way number 3. If the way number 2, using microwave, is still too much work for you, you can use instant dashi soup stock. So let's make dashi using this instant soup stock in this pot here. Again, I'm making 2 cups of dashi. So I'm putting a little less than 2 teaspoons of instant dashi soup stock in this pot, and I'm adding 2 cups of water in here. Put it on the stove, turn the heat on, and heat it up, and your dashi is ready. Super easy to make. So these are the 3 ways to make dashi soup stock. Sometimes people ask me if we make large amount of dashi and then use it for a few days. We normally don't do it, and we just make it every time we cook because it's so easy to make. But you can freeze it. So if you have leftover dashi soup stock, put it in the freezer bag, or you can put it in an ice cube tray and freeze it and use it next time when you cook Japanese food or miso soup. Okay, this is everything for today. Thank you for watching. And if you have any question about Japanese food or food culture, please leave a message in the comment section below. Bye for now, and looking forward to seeing you again.